Hey traders, welcome to another YouTube video. Hope you're all well. So, I'm going to go over another mechanical strategy you can start testing today. And I say testing because that's what you should do with all your strategies. You need confidence in the strategy. You need to know how it works during good and bad periods, so you'll be able to stick with it. A lot of people are just watching YouTube videos, getting the strategy, and then trading it straight away, and then giving up after a few losses. And then it's not working again, and they get frustrated and all that stuff. And that's because they don't understand the system. You need to have confidence in it, and that comes from data. So data equals confidence. And then when you go live, you start small, and then compare the results to the previous data, historical data that you've tested. And if it's the same, if you're in a drawdown and that's what you've tested and that's what happened, then you just carry on and you'll have confidence. So that's what I just wanted to make that point. Another little tip as well when you are testing, when you do go live after your back testing, I learnt this from Mark Douglas, the GOAT, and he said to review in sample size of 20. And this way, it's just large enough for the probabilities to work so you can see if the edge is working as it should. And it's just small enough not to, blow loads of money. So reviewing 20 sample sizes, make sure it's the same as what you've tested. And yeah, if it's normal, carry on. If it's not, then find out why. Is it something with you, or is it the strategy is obsolete? There's something you've missed. So very important stage is the testing phase. So yeah. Anyway, let's get to the good stuff. So the strategy. So I love using the Bollinger Bands. I like using the 2.5 is one of my favorite Bollinger Bands. So with this strategy, you can use the 2.5, you can use the 2. It's totally up to you. And all you do is you wait for the Bollinger Band to get rejected, and then you're simply waiting for an engulfing pattern. So you can see here we get a rejection, it creates an engulfing and then goes down. We get another rejection here, it creates an engulfing and then goes up. So your trade management can be totally up to you. Maybe you want to just fix targets. You can maybe just go for one or you can maybe take half off at one, let the rest run, trail it, whatever you want. It's up to you. So yeah, all you do is just wait for a rejection of the Bollinger Band. Rejection and then engulfing if it goes. See if there's any more. So you'll see these happen all over. So rejection closes outside, sorry, no, well, wicks outside, and then creates engulfing, goes up, and it happens the same again here. Bit of a bigger candle. Um, Another one here, engulfing. So if you want to make it totally 100% mechanical, where you don't want to have the discretion of is it an engulfing, is it not? There's an indicator on TradingView that I like using. It's called EA Alerts, and it shows you a true engulfing pattern. Now, what a true engulfing pattern is when it um, engulfs the previous candle from wick to wick, the whole body. So you can see this candle here engulfs that candle bottom wick to the top wick. So it's a true engulfing. Um, Whereas this didn't engulf the wick down here. So this is an engulfing technically, but it's not a true engulfing. So yeah, it'll highlight the colours straight away. And then that way you don't have to guess, you don't have to work it out. It'll just simply tell you what if it's there or if it's not. So it removes that guesswork of um, having to work it out yourself, which I know a lot of traders struggle with. Where like this one, it's like, is it an engulfing? I don't know. And if it doesn't work, then you start overthinking everything. So yeah, very, very simple. So some other little tricks you could do is you could use to make it higher probability, you could use liquidity concepts, something I like to use, where if you look if there's a major liquidity level that's getting taken out, you can enter then. You could use support and resistance. You could simply go with the trend. The trend is your friend. So if the EMAs are aligned, this is another systematic way of doing it. You can go with the trend and then enter in the direction. So that's another way. Also, something else I like to use is the 20 EMA. And what you can do is measure it, how far it is from that 20 EMA. So, yeah, I'll just try and find an example if I quickly can. Um, Can't really see a good example to show you, but I'll show you what I mean on this one. So this candle closed outside the Bollinger Band here, and I like to use the 20 EMA. So if I can get one eye to the 20 EMA, then that is a good sign that I can that the trade's going to work, because the price is overextended from this 20 EMA. And what the 20 EMA acts as is like an elastic band. The further away it is, the more likely it's going to snap back. So it mean reverts back to that 20 EMA. So it's a very good way of using it. So if we look here, that's not that far away at the time. Maybe just try it there. See how that one would have looked. So this one you wouldn't have been able to get one eye. So I like to use a stop order. So yeah, if you were to put the candle low, it's only 0.62, so it's not overstretched. But yeah, that's the basic strategy. It's very, very simple. Look for an engulfing coming outside of the Bollinger Band and then enter. Obviously, you can work more on this. You know, it's just a template. You can add other requirements, personalize it to you, which I think is a very important part of a strategy development. It has to fit the trader's personality, because if it doesn't fit you, then no matter what you do, the system won't work. So it's important to adapt it to you and your style that you'd want to trade. So yeah, that's the strategy. Very simple. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to learn any more, I've got a rule-based course that you can learn simple strategies like this, and price action, rule-based, mechanical, all the good stuff like that. Um, Also got a course coming out soon, the Art of Psychology. You can pre-order currently now. So that's another course that I've setting up. So yeah, if you want to learn more, go to divergenttrader.com. I'll pop the link below. And oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe if you've watched a few of my videos now, so you don't miss any future videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.